Hey everyone, welcome back to Dell Stack Tech Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to change Google Maps from walking to driving. Sometimes this happens and it creates some confusion when you give directions in Google Maps. You enter your directions and it only shows you the walking distance instead of driving directions. What you have to do is choose your location, your starting point, and your destination point. Then you can see the slider bar with options like driving, transit, and walking. You will also see cycling and other options available. So you just have to click on the driving option. It will then show you the driving time and route. This is how you can change from walking to driving and driving to walking on Google Maps. This is a very quick, simple, and easy step, but it can still create confusion sometimes. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel if this video was helpful to you, and make sure to hit the bell icon for more notifications of easy tech tutorials. See you in the next video.